There's
Okay.
Jenna.
Arlene's visiting from Hawaii. Today is Wednesday, October 31st. Happy Halloween, Jenna.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Does she have a costume?
Look at that.
She does. We need to put her on a little later. Yeah, yeah. She has an orange little outfit.
Yeah. Look at that.
Jenna.
Yeah, wide awake.
Arlene just helped us feed her. Thank you, Arlene, for helping and burping her. Arlene's here the rest of the week and she'll be coming by, right?
Wide awake, huh?
Oh, Jenna, you have a new friend there.
Yeah. She's so bright-eyed and she's holding her head up more.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. She's got spiky hair right in style. Looking at Grandma. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay. See you later, Jenna. Bye-bye.